Hello friends, welcome to Solid Edge Sheet Metals tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to flatten sheet metal part or how to take flat pattern of any sheet metal part. Here we have one sheet metal part and we will take flat pattern of this sheet metal. So to take flat pattern, go to the tools tab. Here we have option flatten. Click on this. Now here first step is to select face. Here first option select face. I have selected this top face. Now second step is to select orientation. For that we need to select any edge of this selected face. So I will select this bend corner. Now we have this flatten or flat pattern of this ordered mode sheet metal part. Click OK. To convert again into the ordered mode, just click on this ordered and take again flatten. Just click on flatten. Now it will not ask for any face or edge or orientation because we have added flat pattern in this part. So this is flat pattern. Hope have you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.